ഹായ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ പേര് സുധീഷ്. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ 3ds Max സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ബേസിക്സ് തുടങ്ങാൻ വിചാരിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ ഹൗ ടു സ്റ്റാർട്ട് വിത്ത് വർക്കിംഗ് ഇൻ 3ds Max. സോ ഇതൊരു ബിഗിനേഴ്സിന് എല്ലാവർക്കും പെട്ടെന്ന് പഠിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന രീതിയിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളും എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇതിൽ വർക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, എങ്ങനെ വർക്ക് തുടങ്ങണം, എങ്ങനെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യും എന്നൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ. The first thing when you open 3ds Max software, you'll see 4 viewports. You can see 4 viewports, or it will be like a perspective view. So this is the 4 viewports mainly we use. One is top view, front view, left view and perspective. So this all will tell while working how it is work and how it will be useful for work and all these things. So this is the interface of 3ds Max. So all these file, edit tools, group, views, create, so many tools are there, so many menus, windows are there. Here we'll get normal new, reset, open, all the small saving options, all the options are comes here. We'll talk about it later. So let's first start with the standard primitives, which is the basics geometries. So this is geometry option where we'll get box, clone, sphere, all these things. So we just click on the box. We'll see how we draw the box like a cube. So while you taking the box, so we'll go for top view to understand. So this is top view here, just drawing. So what you're drawing is the base of the cube or a box. When you draw, after that just leave the mouse and drag up. So when you now you maybe understand, this is the top view of that box, this is the front view, this is the left view. So we just come to the perspective view. Perspective view only we can see how it is the model, what it is the model, and how, like, however you want to move or rotate you can do. So for that, to come to this window, maximize the window, shortcut is Alt+W. When you put Alt+W, this will come separate. For that is for all the views. When you click Alt and W, it will come. So and after that, this rotating the objects, looking around, the shortcut is Alt plus center wheel button, mouse center wheel. So all these shortcuts I'll keep make a note or keep in the description. If any doubt you can comment, I'll reply for that. So this is the box how you draw. When you rotate, I said Alt plus wheel, you can see full model. So this is one box model. Next one is there is cone, same thing. One base you have to draw, just drag and leave the mouse button and drag up, and again you have to click and drag, just dragging, and I didn't press any key in the mouse, just dragging you will get the cone. So wherever you want you can make. So after done with your action, or if you are okay with this, just click outside. So it's ready, the model is ready. So after that also here parameters are there, so where you can change the sizes, this radius, as well as the height of the cone. Same thing for the box also. This is the move button, and you click on that, you can get the move button. When you press Z, it will come zoom to that object. So all the shortcuts I will keep in Alt. So first time when you doing, it will be a little difficult always, because it's a new software, and this 3-dimensional software which is having 3 axes, 3 dimensions. See here you can see X, Y, Z. So all these 3 axes are useful using this software. So for a beginner it will be very difficult first starting, but after that you start enjoying it, trust me. So that is the cone, spear, there is so many things, cylinder, same like drag and just give the base first and move it up. Done. That is the 2 actions. So there's so many things, tubes, it is already kept in that, just you can draw it. The pyramid is there, again 2 actions, draw the base properly and just leave and move up, drag up. I'm just dragging the mouse. This is all basic modeling parameters, or the way which you have to do this one. The T-port which is already there, just click and drag, it will come. How many T-ports you want, you can draw. And plane, text. So here is another thing, you can just click here, you can type, just typing older creations. So this is the basics of 3D standard primitives models. So under the standard primitives, all these objects are coming. This is already there in that inbuilt models. We usually, when you work, if you're working professionally, we not use much all these boxes and this T-port. This will be useful actually, text tool will be useful. There is one more option for that, we'll tell that later, but this is also useful. So that is all about the basic. For a beginner, this is only will be difficult to do, so just practice whatever is there, what I showed now. So this is shortcuts. I'll say once again. So this is all top view, front view, left view, and perspective, which we can see all the things which we drawing. This will be only like a 2D. Top view will be like a 2D, like a front plan. Basically top view is like a plan. So see all the objects. When you select this, here you can see all the views you can. This is like a zoom in, zoom out only, so you can see. So this all top view, front view, left view, all like T is for top view. So here this is perspective, came for perspective, and pressing T, again it will come like a top view. So P, if you press P, it is a perspective view. So again Alt plus mouse center button is the rotation for the view, perspective view rotation. So when you come front view, if you want here also top, you can make. Again F press means that will become front view. Here also left. So this will be useful when you work. The workflow will be easy for while you working. You use viewports. These all viewports again. So this will be useful when you do professionally working, or while working it will be useful to use the viewports, different viewports. So that's all for now. So this is the basic parameters of geometry. So this is standard primitives, it's called. So just try. Let's see, we'll do more experiments and things later. So hope you guys enjoying it. It's actually first video myself doing, so just support me and comment all the things, bad, good, everything, and let me know that. And please subscribe and follow, share the video if you're liking it, give a thumbs up, and that's all. Thank you so much.